let's take a hot minute and talk about this duo monopart from Ellen Wille's Modixx Collection. This is in the light champagne mix. So if you're not wanting to do silver, white, gray, this is a great, it's just off that color where it's got that mix of different, it's platinum, it's a yellow blonde, a really pale yellow blonde. This is it in the daylight coming through my balcony windows here. So really pretty color. And guess what? It's not rooted. So for my ladies out there that says, can't you do some colors that are light, close to silver and grays with no rooting? So this is it. This is such a cute little bob. It's sleek, it's classy, it's cute, it's trendy. It just has this perfect cut. See that how it cuts just under the jawline, flips under there. Let me turn around for you. And guess what? It's high heat friendly. So that means you're going to be able, it's synthetic, but with the high heat friendly, you're going to be able to keep this looking really good for a very long time. So, high heat is what we like to use in our wigs to keep them at their top condition. But also, if we want to add curl to it or we want to change it up, it's going to be easy to do over and over again because you can put curl in it, you can take it, straighten it out. So perfect little, it is a dual mono part. So you have a wide part here in the middle, and the lace front goes all the way down into the ear tabs, right? It has the Velcro adjusters. It's great. It's going to be light and easy to wear this summer. You're going to be able to wear it behind your ears if you want to, put a headband in it, put a little ball cap on, and you're ready to go. So I think she's perfect for what time of year we're coming into. And for all of you that just don't want all that volume, no permatease in it, you're going to get this really nice, sleek look. There are some layers in here. So see that? If you actually wanted to bump up some volume and you don't want it sleek and flat, you're going to be able to, see how that just with my fingers, do that. And again, in the front, there's some little bit of layering. So loosen it up so that it just has a little bit more play with it. Just like that, out of the box, you're going to be ready to go. And the super stylish, super trendy, fun bob from Ellen Wille, of course,